A GitHub CLI extension helps you manage stacked branches and pull requests. Stacked pull requests split large changes into a chain of small, reviewable pull requests that build on each other. The tool, called GHStack, automates creating branches, rebasing them, setting correct base branches, and navigating between layers. To set it up, install the extension by running gh extension install GitHub GHStack. You need the GitHub CLI version 2 or higher. You can also integrate it with an AI coding agent. Installing the GHStack skill lets the agent understand how to work with stacked pull requests and the command line. Getting started is simple. First, initialize a new stack with GHStack init, which creates and checks out the first branch. Make some commits on that branch, then add another branch on top with GHStack add ping points, commit your changes, push all branches with GHStack push, view the stack with GHStack view, and finally submit the stack of pull requests with GHStack submit. A stack is an ordered list of branches where each branch builds on the one below it. The bottom of the stack sits on a trunk, typically the main branch. When you submit, one pull request is created for each branch and they are linked together as a single stack on GitHub. Each pull request space is set to the branch below it, so reviewers see only the changes for that layer. The extension keeps metadata in a JSON file in the repository, so it knows which branches belong to which stack and their order. During rebases it also stores state in a separate file. The command set is extensive. GHStack init creates a new stack locally, optionally adopting existing branches. GHStack add adds a new branch on top of the current stack, automatically creating it at the current head, optionally staging changes, committing, and naming the branch. GHStack checkout lets you switch to stack by number, pull request number, URL, or branch name, even pulling a remote stack if it exists only on GitHub. For rebasing, GHStack rebase pulls the latest changes from origin and rebases each branch in order from the trunk upward. You can limit rebasing to the part of the stack below or above the current branch, skip the trunk, continue a paused rebase, or abort it. GHStack Modify opens a terminal UI that lets you drop, fold, insert, rename, reorder, and undo changes to the current stack. It's useful for restructuring a stack before submitting or pushing. GHStack Sync is a NSTEP command that fetches, reconciles remote stacks, fast-forwards the trunk if needed, cascades rebases, pushes all branches, syncs pull request state, links the stack on GitHub, and optionally prunes merged branches. If the local and remote stacks have diverged, you can choose to adopt the remote stack, delete the remote stack, or cancel the operation. The basic actions, pushing branches, submitting pull requests, linking branches into a stack, merging a stack, viewing, and unstacking, are all handled by dedicated commands. For example, GHStack push pushes all active branches, GHStack submit creates or updates pull requests and the stack on GitHub, GHStack link combines branches or existing pull requests into a new stack without tracking locally. GHStack merge merges one or more stacked pull requests as a single operation, GHStack view lists branches with links, and GHStack unstack removes a stack from local tracking and optionally from GitHub. Navigation helpers let you move through the stack without remembering branch names. GHStack up climbs the stack, GHStack down goes down, GHStack top or GHStack bottom jump to extreme ends, and GHStack trunk jumps back to the trunk. GHStack switch opens an interactive picker. You can also gather feedback with GHStack feedback, create short aliases for the commands with GHStack alias, and run a quick, abbreviated workflow that folds staging, committing, and branch creation into single commands. For instance, after initializing a stack, you can add a new layer with GHStack add API routes which stages, commits, and creates the branch automatically. The interactive screens adapt to light or dark terminal themes, and you can force a palette with an environment variable. When a command fails, the exit codes indicate the type of error: 0 for success, 1 for generic error, 2 for stack not found, 3 for rebase conflicts, 4 for API failure, 5 for invalid arguments, 6 for disambiguation, 7 for an ongoing rebase, and 8 for a locked stack. The extension is open source under the MIT license, and the code is maintained by the GitHub team. For more details, you can refer to the repository's README, license file, support documents, and code ownership list.